What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tam, back with another video, and in today's video we're doing this look. I sort of try to change it up and do my intros with all my makeup on so you guys can see the look we're doing and what you guys are waiting for. You know, it might be 20-minute long makeup videos, but it is for a good cause and a good reason. This is the look we decided to go for today. I decided to do something green because I've been loving a green lately and I've just been so scared of doing green. I have no idea why. So I finally mustered up the courage to do a green look, and this is what I delivered to you guys today. I hope you guys like it, and without further ado, let's just jump right on into the video.
Wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move on your mind, and I know what you're feeling.
So as you guys can see, I have already started with my base. I did, however, use the same foundation I always use in my videos. However, if you guys do want to see a video of how I do my base before I do my eyes and everything, I will definitely make a video for that. I don't know why I keep doing this with my hands, but anyways, now I'm gonna start concealing because I feel like not to conceal is a crime. Like, I can't live without concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is the CATRICE True Skin, like I mentioned in my videos. Okay, let's start blending this first. As you guys can see, it's not that kind of like, whoa, kind of bright under eye, but it's like, wow, she has like these flawless under eyes. So it's not that much concealer and it's not that bright as well, but it's just the right amount. And it is a full coverage concealer, and it has hyaluronic acid as well. So it's gonna give you a bright under eye, and it's also going to take care of your skin and keep it hydrated during the day, which is what we need, right? It's what we want. We don't want cakey, dry skin. We want hydrated and glowy skin. I know it looks crazy now, but you know, blending is your best friend. Okay, now that our base is done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some powder to my under eyes. I'm just taking my normal powders that I would take from my palette just to set the under eyes, because we don't want that concealer to move, and we don't want a creasy under eye when we're taking photos as well. I do want that to look kind of flawless. And I'm just setting it with the same color of my skin tone, or let's just say the same color of my concealer. Once we do our contour and we start our makeup look, you guys know it's gonna come together anyways. Now I'm going to bronze the skin. I'm going to take my contour shade, which is the one I always use. So this is the LA Girl Pro Contour Concealer and contour shade. I'm going to take this like spongy brush, and I'm going to start applying dots to where I want to contour. So I'm going to keep my contour a bit high, just like that, on my cheekbone. And I'm not going to contour a lot, and I'm going to contour my nose as well, because lately I've just been into like contouring my nose. I'm going to contour my forehead as well. Okay, I'm gonna grab that same Real Techniques brush and start blending. I look like a bear, honestly. I'm gonna start with blush. I did realize that I have a wet how do I say this, like a cream blush. So I'm gonna apply the cream blush onto my cheeks first. I know it looks crazy. I didn't sit here, so I'm glad that I didn't sit it because I can apply that blush. This is by Isabella Garcia, by the way. It's their Molten Blush in Coral Glaze. I'm gonna take my blender and then I'm just gonna start blending on the apple of my cheek and upwards as well. Can you guys see that? That's just like so pretty. Like this blend is amazing. Now that we have that cream blush down, I'm just gonna blend it up to my temples as well. Now that we have the cream blush down, I'm gonna take that powder blush and I'm just gonna top that over, and then I'm just gonna blend it so that I could diffuse the color a bit, because that is bright. Now that our blush is done, I have to, it's like a must that I put on highlighter, and the highlight that I've been using is, I can't seem to find it. I'm using this Wet Set by Kylie. I think this is like the 2018 collection. I'm not too sure. But anyways, I'm using the shade Unbothered. This is just a pretty highlighter. I'm just gonna apply it to my cheeks. Can you guys see that glow though? Like, normally I'm fussy with highlighters because some of the highlighters can just like drain my blush color, and then some just look so ashy, but this highlighter is just like, it's really pretty. Now you guys know this is my favorite part of the video, where we start with the eyes. I'm gonna take my eye base, trusty eye base that I always use, because this is just the perfect eye base that my colors can catch on so easily, and it's just like, it doesn't drain the colors off my palettes. It's just like all of my eyeshadow just comes on so amazing. So I'm gonna apply the base to my eyes, because not to prime is a crime. I'm gonna blend. So I know it looks crazy. I look like I don't even know at this point. I look like I don't even know what I'm doing. But I do know what I'm doing, and I'm glad because I'm trusting the process. So we're gonna start with the eye look. I'm gonna start with this tiny palette here. I'm gonna pick up this green here, which is just like a dark green. I'm gonna use this tapered blending brush, and then I'm also going to pick up this dark. Whoa! I might have broken a shadow or two. I'm gonna pick up this kind of like dark blue, and I'm gonna mix that green and dark blue together. And then, you guys might think I'm crazy, but I'm gonna take a black, and I'm gonna take just the smallest amount, and I'm going to blend the black into it, but on the top of this. I'm gonna take a green shadow from the same palette, but the one that is next to that dark shade that we used, and I'm going to start blending that into the dark color that we just did. Okay, now that that's kind of looking green, I'm going to take the color Dinosaur from my ROXI palette. Of course, guys, you know. I'm gonna take my concealer brush, and then I'm gonna pick up that color and just pack it on my crease kind of area. Just there, so that it's like super bright. after I've dragged that out, I'm gonna take a kind of like post-it sticker. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna place it where I normally place my eyeliner, which is sort of like there. And I'm gonna take that same kind of tapered brush. Actually, I'm gonna take a thinner brush. I'm gonna take those same shades, the blue, the green, and the black, and then I'm gonna start lining where I normally put my eyeliner. Then I'm going to take that green, which is next to the dark green, what I use to blend, and I'm going to start blending that shade as well into that dark shade. Now that that's done, I know it looks crazy at the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up with my concealer. I'm gonna take a kind of like angled brush and clean up. I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the under part of this look. So okay, now that I got both eyes done and looking sort of like the same, I'm gonna take my same tapered brush and then I'm gonna take this yellow shade, which is Lemonade, and I'm gonna pack it in my inner corner, bringing it down to the under eye. And then I'm gonna take this kind of like shimmer shade yellow. Sorry for this like glitter, I normally mix my foundation on this palette. Anyways, I'm gonna take that yellow with the same brush and I'm going to pack it on top of that yellow. So I'm gonna take that same dinosaur color from the ROXI palette, which is this one here, and I'm gonna pack that next to the yellow. And then I'm gonna take this color, which is Blue Lagoon, and then I'm going to pack that next to the green shade. And now that that's done, I'm gonna take my kind of like, what is this, water eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna put this in my waterline. I'm gonna do my mascara. This is the Avon Color Trend Gravity Free Mascara. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my mascara because normally I don't. So if you guys have wanted to see how I do my mascara, it's just normally just start from the top, wiggle a bit, and then drag it upwards. Naturally, my lashes are just long on its own. I'm not bragging or anything. Like, I'm just really grateful that they are, so that I don't have to apply falsies or anything. So that's a benefit. But you guys will just see how this mascara works. Like, it's amazing. And it is waterproof, so it's not going anywhere and it's not smudging throughout the day. I really like it so far, and you guys already know what I'm doing next, my lip. So I'm gonna take that contour shade, of course, like always, gonna overline my lip a little bit, just a bit. last but not least, I'm going to take that Clinique lipstick that I always use in the color Creamy Nude. It's a soft shine lipstick. I'm going to apply that to the center. And that's it, guys. I'm going to quickly do my hair and I'm going to be back in a second. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think this look did exactly what I needed it to do. I love the green. This look is just so me. Like, I enjoy doing looks like this. Big, bold looks. And if you love it too, then you already know what to do. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.